Hey, what is up? It is Will the Skinny Survivor here, checking in this gym in Taiwan. And today I want to show you a quick full body workout that is going to allow you to build more muscle as a skinny guy this month without having to do copious amounts of sets, reps, and exercises. You see, one of the biggest mistakes that skinny guys make when they first start out is going with these advanced programs that they simply can't handle. There's so many sets, reps, and exercises that they simply fatigue extremely fast. So they might do one push-pull leg workout routine and then simply die off after one round. And that is not how you build muscle as a beginner skinny guy. Here's what you need to do if you want to build muscle successfully as a skinny guy. You want to do 3 to 4 full body workouts a week. Hit every single muscle group 2 to 3 times a week. Get out of the gym, rest and recover, and do it again. And that is going to allow you to build more muscle this year. So today I'm going to show you 5 simple exercises that you need to do as a skinny guy to build more muscle this month. A quick full body workout, get in, get out, which is going to allow you to transform your body, become the buff guy, and build more muscle. So one thing that we're going to focus on today is mind and muscle connection, and that simply means getting the most out of each repetition, focusing on contraction rather than just lifting heavy weight with poor form. So you're going to see today we're going to work with a 2-0-1 tempo. That simply means every single eccentric movement, when we lower the weight, we're going to take 2 seconds and then we're going to contract and then press up 1 second. So this is going to allow you to contract the muscle and really engage it so you maximize your muscle growth. So without further ado, let's get into the workouts.